as we look at the landscape of some of our products, right, they are very technology driven products that are used in the home, on your hair, in professional spaces, like our B2B businesses are using them in hotels and restaurants, whether it's the wearing product or whether it's Cuisinart, Leandro, Conair, whatever those product lines are, they do take a lot of technology within them. And so we are in the future looking at ways that we can use AI built into that technology to help that product help drive further of what the consumer wants. So it could be, for example, one of our greatest lines is Babyliss Pro. Babyliss Pro is a very forefront line, and it's a professional business that's actually become a B2C successful business because it's got some of the most beautiful product lines for hair that and a barbery tools that you would want. And those tools are very sophisticated. They have a lot of technology pieces that are built inside of them. And one of them are really interesting because they have their own nuances, right? It could be there's a cooling factor to it. It could be that there's a heat element to it. Some of them have Ferrari engines in them. And so when we look at that, there are ways to use that to help with sensories, with self-care, with ways of people that in the future want to do tricks for themselves for barbery. And so right now, today, what we offer are things like 3D apps, and growing those 3D apps are AR. So right now we're building an AR technology so that people can start seeing the ways that they can use these different devices to connect them. And as we do that, AI will be landscaped into it to keep growing those sources.